Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your image and immediately duplicate the background or enable non-destructive layers so you can always revert. Start by fixing white balance and exposure because color shifts and highlights affect every later step. Use a subtle contrast or tone curve adjustment to establish the mid-tone relationship. This makes color grading more predictable. Once done, crop to tighten composition. Apply rule of thirds or a 3:2 crop, and set a working resolution and color profile so subsequent edits remain consistent. Now focus on detailed tonal shaping and color. Use curves or levels with targeted points to deepen shadows, lift shadows slightly if needed, and refine highlights. This sculpts depth. Next, apply HSL adjustments or split toning to push mood. Shift highlights a touch warmer and shadows cooler for cinematic separation. Make local refinements with dodge and burn at low opacity so transitions remain natural. Once you've balanced color, add subtle sharpening and noise reduction selectively to preserve texture where it matters. Complete the image by applying targeted sharpening, using a mask to protect smooth areas, and add a gentle vignette to draw attention to the subject. Make final color checks at 100% in view on a secondary device to confirm consistency. Then export a layered master, PSD or TIFF, and an sRGB 8-bit copy for web delivery. If colors shift, revisit white balance and check soft-proofing. Troubleshooting tip: if banding appears, add slight noise or increase bit depth before final export to smooth gradients.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.